how to clean C drive in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to clean your C drive in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is simply right click on your Windows or the start icon, go with run, and under run you need to simply search for temp and then hit the enter. And here you will have all of your temporary files which you don't want. So what you need to do is simply select all of these. Once you've selected, now you need to simply press shift delete, and then you need to delete all of these files. Click on yes and continue, and you can skip the files which you're not being able to delete. Once you've done this, after this, again right click on your Windows, go with run, and now you need to enter %temp percentage and hit the enter, and do the same process. Simply select all of the files, and then you need to press shift delete and then delete all of these files. You can simply skip the file which you're not being able to delete. Now again you need to go with the Windows, right click on it, go with run, and now do this for the last time. You need to simply enter prefetch and hit the enter. And if you don't have the permission to access the folder, then you can click on continue. Once you click on continue, now here you will have all of the folders. Do the same thing that you did to the other two folders. Simply shift delete and then click on yes, and that's it. So the second thing you need to do is you need to go with your recycle bin, because the recycle bin has all of the deleted files and it will accumulate the space that you have in your C drive. So what you need to do is simply select all of the files that you have on your recycle bin and then go with empty recycle bin and go with yes, and you need to delete all of the files that you have on your recycle bin. And the third thing you need to do is again go with the search. Under search you need to simply go with settings. Under settings you need to search for uninstall, and here you will have add or remove programs. Simply go with add or remove programs, and from here you can simply choose any program or any application that you don't want or that you're not using. So you just need to simply go with the application, and for example, I'll be choosing this one, the first one. Go with the three dots which is on the right side, and then go with uninstall and uninstall the application. Click on yes, and again uninstall and close. And once you uninstall the unnecessary applications, then your C drive will be cleaned to get the access. Now the last thing is you need to go with your file explorer and go with this PC and go with local disk C, right click on it, and you need to go with properties. Under properties you need to go with the tools option and click on optimize, and make sure that you've selected the C drive and click on optimize. And that's it. So that's how you can clean your C drive in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.